Hey guys, what's up? This is the Traveler Guy. Hope you guys are doing perfectly fine. I'm back with another video. And today I'll let you know the 10 best places you can visit this July. So stay tuned. I'll get back after a short intro. So first place has been occupied by Shillong, Meghalaya, known as the Scotland of the East because of the rolling hills and peaks around the town. Shillong during monsoons is a great place to be visited as it sees plenty of rainfall and less of tourists, which makes it a perfect time to visit. The lush misty hills and the high waterfalls and the brimming lakes are a must see, and the fact that it is situated far away from the bustling city has made it retain its charm. Here there are few shots shown from the beautiful Shillong. Now it brings us to the second place, that is Orchha, Madhya Pradesh. That's an unknown name. The city of historic places and temples nestled between forests and vegetation, livens up in monsoons. The rains give a rustic charm, and Betwa river is one of the important rivers in Madhya Pradesh. It has 7 streams converging at Orchha, which makes it a sight to watch. By and large, Madhya Pradesh receives less rainfall and seldom ferocious one. Now our all-time favorite, Goa. Goa in monsoons has much to offer than just its beaches. The rain is refreshing and splashes nature's colors over the state. Goa has a lot of wildlife sanctuaries, of which Molam National Park and Kotika wildlife sanctuaries are particularly favored during monsoons. The magnificent Dudhsagar Falls, located near the Molam National Park, is best during the monsoons. However, most of the beach shacks and water activities may be closed as July is the off-season. As my personal favorite, Dalhousie, Himachal Pradesh, particularly built over 5 hills. What better place to visit in monsoon than this? Dalhousie in July receives mild rainfalls, which makes the place rather pleasant. Apart from which, the inviting lush greenery around it even has many adventure sporting activities to boost scenic beauty at its best. Dalhousie isn't one to disappoint during monsoons. We got to visit Khachar, shown in the picture. Now the bike rider's favorite, Ladakh in Jammu and Kashmir, a place of mountain routes and beautiful monasteries. Solitude is best attained here, with little rainfalls, splendid Pangong Lake, rushed mountain ranges, and Nubra Valley, and a motorcycle, and you are set for an enriching ride. June-September is a peak season here in Ladakh, but you could beat the most of the crowd if you plan a trip through Leh at this time. Now on the 6th place, if you love flowers, then this is the best place. This is actually heaven for you. Valley of Flowers, Uttarakhand. Name any difficult to pronounce flower and chances you will find it here. The Valley of Flowers in July is carpeted by a wide range of flowers and many exotic ones too, wild roses and whatnot. July is easily the best time to visit Valley of Flowers and large sprawl of nature, as the places literally blooms in monsoons. Prices are mentioned in the picture. 7th place belongs to Mount Abu, Rajasthan. The only hill station in Rajasthan, Mount Abu enjoys most of the little rainfall that happens in Rajasthan. The diverse flora and majestic mountains pull people to this quaint little hill station, also rich in history and architecture. There are glorious ancient buildings you can't get enough of. Visiting Mount Abu in July is going to be an experience you won't forget easily. To mention all the names and all places in the description below, so don't forget to look at that also. Now move to a little south, that is Coorg, Karnataka, 8th number. Karnataka's own little paradise, Coorg is beautiful no matter what time of the year. However, Coorg is prettiest during the monsoons. Between July September, the mountains and valleys cover themselves with various shades of green and little sprouts of the vibrant colors of the flowers soothes the eyes from the rather harsh summer. Take a walk in the rain through the valleys or just watch the mountains play hide and seek in the mist. Now, Udaipur, Rajasthan. Rajasthan receives one of the lowest rainfalls in the country, making it an ideal destination to visit during monsoons. With just enough rains for a pleasant climate and easy travel, Udaipur is one of the popular places to visit in Rajasthan during monsoons. Udaipur, the city of lakes, has been regarded as one of the romantic destinations in India. Sajankar, a place situated 1100 feet high above the surroundings, and it is also the monsoon palace. The best for last, Kerala is a paradise in monsoons. Kochi, Kovalam, Kozhikode are some of the beautiful places in Kerala. Lush, green, fresh, and rains literally brings the city bustling with life, be it the rice boat cruises in the backwaters or relaxing at one of the many Ayurvedic spas. Even a simple walk in the beauty state and enjoying the delicious cuisine Kerala has to offer makes it a holiday well spent. In case if you missed any of the places suggested earlier, you can check the description below. All places are mentioned there.